Coming up, I will discuss how you can tap into the potential of AI with these essential AI tips for beginners. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. In 2024, I began experimenting with AI. I use tools like ChatGPT and Claude as fancy search engines. I type in a question, get a decent answer, and move on. Fast forward through hundreds of chats, trial and error experiments, and some downright mind-blowing moments, and my perspective has completely shifted. It's not about AI, but how I think, write, plan, and solve problems. Each aha moment pulled me deeper into a new way of working. Context, clarity, and conversation mattered more than keywords. This journey has changed how I use AI and how I approach creativity, decision-making, and productivity. Here are 5 AI tips for beginners. Number 1, context is everything, so build conversations, not queries. My biggest rookie mistake in my efforts to master ChatGPT, treating it like a search engine. I would fire off standalone questions like, how do I do X? And get a decent but forgettable answer. It wasn't until I started treating it like a collaborator that everything changed. The breakthrough came when I shifted from asking isolated prompts to building context-rich conversations. For example, instead of what's a good email subject line, I now say something like this. I have these 2 options for a potential subject line, a subject line X and a subject line B. Can you rate them and suggest alternatives that best fit this newsletter content? Suddenly the responses felt like they were written for me, not for the internet at large. The AI started offering nuanced, relevant insights, and the results improved. Whether I was brainstorming content or refining a strategy, I was having a conversation with AI. The lesson learned: AI is not a mind reader. The difference in quality was staggering. AI now tailors its responses to my specific situation. Think of AI as a knowledgeable colleague. This colleague needs briefing. The more information you give it, the more you get back. Number 2, be specific about format and style because AI loves detailed instructions. They need explicit guidance about what you specifically want. When I started using ChatGPT, I would say, write a blog post about productivity. I expected it to produce magic. What I got back was vague, surface level content. Everything changed when I got specific. I would write a prompt along the lines of, write a 1,200 word blog post about personal growth for ambitious professionals aged 25 to 45. Use an inspiring but grounded tone. Include 5 actionable tips with subheadings. Add a quick story in the intro. End with a call to action for my newsletter. Keep clean formatting and use concise paragraphs for improved readability. Now we're talking. You must be clear about your structure. Knowing your audience, knowing your tone, and knowing your format makes a significant difference. AI systems excel at adhering to detailed guidelines. You just need to give the details. I included a link to the AI skills quiz in the description below so you can see how well you use AI. Number 3, use AI as a thinking partner, not just an answering machine. This was my most transformative realization. Instead of only asking AI to offer solutions, I started using it to help me think through my problems more effectively. The shift from what should I do to help me think through this situation opened up new possibilities. When facing a complex decision, I now walk through my thinking process with AI. This collaborative approach also works exceptionally well for creative projects. I'll share my rough ideas with AI. Instead of asking AI to write something for me, I'll ask it to help me brainstorm. It can find weak points in my logic or suggest different approaches I have not considered. For technical problems, I won't just ask AI for solutions. I'll explain my understanding of the issue. Then I'll ask AI to verify my reasoning. AI can suggest different angles to consider. This leads to better solutions and helps me learn and improve my problem-solving skills. AI becomes a thinking partner. Number 4, master the art of follow-up questions. Most people ask one question and accept the first response, but that's where the real value often begins. AI responses serve as starting points for deeper exploration rather than final answers. Learning to ask strategic follow-up questions has dramatically transformed my results. After getting a first response, I'll dig deeper. This is helpful, but can you explain the reasoning behind recommendation number 3? Could you give a concrete example of how this would work in practice? Could you please tell me where you obtain these stats from? Follow-up questions also help you stress test AI responses. I've also learned to ask AI to build on its responses. Each iteration gets you more refined and closer to what you need. This approach consistently yields much more valuable and actionable results. Number 5, organize your work with project folders. For months, I juggled multiple conversations and lost track of meaningful exchanges. Then I discovered one of ChatGPT's most underrated features, project folders. This simple organizational tool completely transformed how I use AI for ongoing work. Now I create dedicated project folders for different areas of my life and work. For example, I have folders for blog, YouTube, and newsletter. Each folder maintains its conversation context and memory. This allows me to develop and refine my most effective prompts within each project folder. For example, my newsletter folder has evolved to understand my preferred tone, target audience, and content structure. This organizational approach has significantly improved my AI interactions, making them more efficient and productive. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. AI tools are compelling, but like any sophisticated technology, they reward thoughtful usage. The difference between basic and advanced AI usage is not about knowing secret commands or hidden features. It's about understanding how to communicate effectively, think collaboratively, and iterate systematically. AI works best when you treat it as a thought partner rather than a search engine. Thank you for watching. Until next time.